Hey adventure kids, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go on an adventure out in the woods. There's a swamp out there and some trails that go around, and Xander's going to take you on some of his equipment through the woods. Do you want to join along? Let's go! First, we have to get his equipment together, alright? So we're going to get the tractor and the four-wheeler and see which one goes better in the woods. Why are these cats out here? Get your tractor? What is that? Where's the bucket? Where's the bucket? Should we put the bucket on it?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, we found the bucket. And we found the tractor. How are we gonna get it back on? We need some tools, don't we? Got the bucket back on it. Does it look good? What you think? Good strong tires?
What?
Good strong tires? What you gonna do with it? Try to come back. Got a four-wheeler? Xander got his go-kart out. Gonna take it around and do a couple laps. Alright, let's do it. Here comes Silo! Silo, what are you on? Four-wheeler? Did you get the four-wheeler? Look at that. Oh, there's Andy on the tractor. Alright.
I think Sarah should have that.
The tractor? Silo, you wanna hop on the tractor? Alright, Xander's gonna go on the four-wheeler? No, not out in the woods. You can have the four-wheeler. Let's go! Here we go. Gotta be careful. Whoa! Come on! Careful! There he is! You made it! Good job, buddy. You gonna go down and turn around? Okay, let's go. Come on. There he is. All right, let's go. swamp. Let's see how far you can go in the swamp and go around, okay? You gotta watch out for things like alligators, snakes. Think we can do it? Alright, hopefully it's not too muddy out there today. Sometimes it gets really muddy. Alright, Zyda, let's go. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Oh, he's going around. Come on. Okay. Here he comes. Yep, there's the four-wheeler.
Right in there.
You got in there?
No. No.
One of you go. There we go. I think there's too many trees down here. What do you think? Ooh, there's an old tire. Look at that. Because of the tire. Is it stuck? Oh. I think the tractor's pretty much dead all the way, don't you think? What are we gonna do? It's still stuck. Look at that. Think we can pull it out? What are we gonna do? Push it. Yes. Oh no, an alligator! I know, I think it's dead. I think we're gonna have to carry it back. What do you think?
I can carry a camera and run. Go!
We made it! What a fun time, you guys. Thanks for joining in our adventure. I sure did get awfully hot down there in the woods. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and come back next time for our next adventure. Bye!